back to my channel. This video is a room tour video because you all requested me to make a room tour video. Now this is not the room where I live, but I film over here. It's in the old part of my house, hence it's a little old-fashioned, but I tried to redo it, some parts of it at least. So here you go, it's a very realistic room tour. This is what it exactly looks like. If you guys like this video and if you like to see more such videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi and on my Twitter at samraddhi07. Also, I have a Pinterest account and we hit 100 followers there, which is amazing. So you guys can follow me there. And let's just get started. Hi, welcome to my room. So when you first enter, the first thing you see is this thing. Now this is a wall and this is the almirah. It's a very hideous almirah, but I cannot remove it because it's stuck to the wall. That's how old-fashioned walls almirahs were made, I suppose. So this part of the house is a little bit old. That is why it's like that. Okay, so this is what this area looks like. I have this Polaroid wall over here, so let's see this Polaroid wall first. So after entering the room, the first thing you will come to see when you turn here is this entire Polaroid wall which I made. Now this is not just any Polaroid wall. This is a vintage Polaroid wall with all the things that I love. So I'll show you what all I have here. So let's just see what I have here. The very first thing is One Direction, and this is One Direction, my favorite boy band. Then that's my grandmother, that's my dog Buddy, that's Ronaldo, he's my idol. That's Sergio Ramos, my favorite team's Real Madrid's captain, my favorite team Real Madrid's manager Zinedine Zidane. This is a photo of all of my cousins. Then that's me, that's my grandpa, and that's my little brother. This photo is not visible at all, but that is Gitanshi, my best friend. That's me. And that's my school DPS where I used to study till 10th. I don't know why I have the picture. This photo is of me, my sister, and my best friend Koshki. She's more like a family, so like a sister too. Then here I have my sister's photo, my photo, and this is my from the after party after my farewell. The after party was very good. Farewell was horrible for me, but that's my friend. Those are my friends. That's me showing my jawline, but that's that. This is me, and this is my best friend Ananya. He also has a channel, by the way. Now this photo is of, again, school. That's me, that's my friend Gitanshi. Those are some of my other friends. This photo is of my parents and my sister, elder sister Prashasti. She has a channel too. That's, again, those are my dogs, Brownie, Tiku, and that's my dog Buddy. They're very cute. This is my family. So yeah, I have that picture. That's my Polaroid wall. Above this, I have this some bohemian thing here. I don't exactly know what it's called, but I have it for a long time. It's bohemian, it's old, vintage sort of. So that's cool, I guess. I'll keep that. So when we move down, we see this part of the room. Now this is just a sitting area. This is the area where I just sleep and chill, and I read books over here. I'm not much of a book person, but when there are lots of people in the room, this is basically a guest room, you can say. So when there are a lot of people in the room, then they can sit here or chill here or sleep here, whatever they want to. And yeah, I have these two pillows over here, which I got from Amazon, by the way. Amazon is super great for home decor, so I highly recommend. I've linked to both of these in the description, so make sure you check it out if you want to. But yeah, that's this. It's like a chilling area. Okay, great. So here I have this almirah. Again, it's a very loha wali almari jo hoti hai ghar mein. It's that. But no one uses it. It's just kept here. That's why I'm okay, let it be here. So that's that. I'm not gonna show you what's inside, obviously. And let's move here. Okay, so coming on to my favorite part of the room, this is just a backdrop. Behind that I have windows which connects to other rooms and stuff, so we'll just leave that to it. Okay, so here are some of the things which I have. Coming on to the very first thing I have, it's this very precious Harry Styles plaque, music plaque. I made this, by the way. So yeah, it's very beautiful. It's glass, by the way, so it's not very sturdy, it's fragile, but I love Harry Styles, and it's from his Fine Line album Watermelon Sugar, the single. It's that, so I love this. I've kept it here. Then I have my iPad, which shows here what the time is. It's currently 7:34 p.m. and today is Wednesday, the something date. I don't exactly know. here I have the books. Now I'm not really a book person, but I have some books. This is basically a dictionary. I've kept it just for show. Then I have this book. It's called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This might be the only book I've ever read. Like, I've not completely read it, but this is the only book that I have started to read other than Harry Potter. Another book which I have is this one, How to Memorize Anything. I've read some parts of this book. It's a good book again, but books are not really my thing. I have actually read this book, but it's not a novel. It's 1001 Days That Shaped the World. It's a history kind of book, and I'm very interested in knowing that for some reason, so I've read this entire book. It's a very thick book, but I've read it. Then I just have like this flowers bouquet thing. This is actually a glass vase and it's like cute, so I kept it over here. That's that. Now moving on, here I have this guitar. I can't play guitar. I really want to learn, but yeah, that's my guitar, and I want to learn to play it, how to play it. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite part of the room. This is the bed area. Now here is obviously the bed where I pretend to sleep. I don't actually sleep here. It's just a filming room, as I said, but it's also a bedroom, so that's that, because most of my videos are lifestyle videos. The very first thing I have is this white bedding. Now white is very aesthetic for me. I'm a very minimal person, hence the white bedding. So this is the white bedding which I have. I have like matching pillow here. I'm sorry about that, by the way. This is how I am in real life. So this is like the pillow. I have two of those. One is kept over here, another one is kept over here. Then these pillows, I have three of those. It's a color blocking pillow. Again, I said I'll leave the link for it in the description from Amazon. They are like convertible, whatever you say. So that's that. I'll keep it right here. Then moving here, these are like just three pictures which I have, frames. This one says Thunderbird Motel. I got this from like a local shop. I got these made, customized, and the pictures I printed on my own. They are very pretty, vintage. I'm obsessed with vintage and 90s, like 80s, 90s aesthetic. These are not actually 80s. They might be 70s and 60s. So I love that. After that, here I have an ocean picture. Here is another picture of a building from New York. I suppose it's New York Times Square, as I think it is, but I'm not really sure. But that's that. I downloaded it from Pinterest. It's a very, very cool photo. Again, customized, as I said, very beautiful. I originally wanted to go with Cars Lightning McQueen's, but I could not find the picture of Radiator Springs. Moving on to this section, I have this very hideous looking like almirah, which again told you, but I am not going to show it. This entire wall is just this almirah. That's that. This mirror, which is, I'm sorry about the dirtiness of this mirror, I never ever clean it, but that's just that. And hideous looking almirah, which I absolutely hate, and I can't seem to get rid of it. That's that. So that was all for my room tour, guys. It wasn't much, but this is what it actually looks like, and I won't be living here for long. That's why it's just like I did just like 2-3 walls over here, not the entire room. I painted this wall specifically white because of the videos. Other like walls are pink. So that was all. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi and on Twitter at samraddhi07. And today's shout out, Jyoti Shri S. If you want to be the shout out of my next video, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and just comment below anything you like, and that's all. You will get a shout out too. And I will see you guys on Wednesday with a brand new video. Bye.